But if you can't actually communicate that clearly...
Good afternoon, guys.
And the thing is that trust erodes with every weak behavior that you let slide. You don't add behaviors to take it seriously. You actually just need to eliminate the ones that make you look weak. The most intelligent people in the room, they rarely say the most. They actually usually say the least, but every word that they say lands with you.
Ano ba yung scar tape? Yes. Sobrang effective nito. Pinatagal ko siya. Tinan nyo, ang ganda ng skin ko, ang kinis. Sobrang ganda talaga niya.
The second is that I felt not sure in what I was saying, and so I talked directly.
Anyway.
Until I finally was understand the message. And then the third thing was that if something wasn't
Wait lang guys magbabrush lang ako ng teeth kasi kakakain ko lang, so I need to brush. Saan kaya ako mag-brush ng ngipin? Hindi muna ako maghihilamos kasi late ako nakatulog kagabi and late ko rin nalagay itong scar sheet. Mas okay ba? Mas okay ba may ilaw or... Ay! Perfect! Ah, mas! Oh, ito. Ito. Mas okay ito. Babrush lang ako, guys. Nag-lunch na ba kayo? Sana nag-lunch na kayo lahat. I have you boyfriend ka ba? What? What? Grabe, ang ganda ng skin ko talaga. Ang ganda lagi ng skin ko pagkagising. Ganyan talaga siya. Dahil sa scar sheet na yan. Last time dito ko nilagay, pero nawala na yung mga bumps ko, tsaka pimple marks. Itong mga to ay freckles yan. So, ayan. Wait lang guys ha. Gusto niyo ba nito guys? Kasi, nirecommend siya ng doctor ko, yung dentist ko. Sabi niya, mag-invest ka sa water floss. Kasi sobrang effective niya nga. Tunay. Nawala talaga yung mga ko dito. Nabudol ako sa patch mo na yan, Mi. Worth it to. Sobrang ganda sa balat. As in. Oh! Yuck. Pumayat ka na. Thank you. I suggest na gumamit kayo ng water flosser kasi sobrang worth it nito. Sobrang ganda niya. Lalabas talaga yung mga tinga nyo sa sulok-sulok. And recommended sa mga by dentist mga to. And then, mag-switch na kayo sa vibrator. Kasi, mas maganda gumamit ng vibrator kesa sa manual toothbrush. And, mas nag-improve talaga yung ngipin ko dito. Kasi, nag-vibrate siya. Everything is better with vibration, di ba? Toothbrush siya. And, gumamit din kayo ng tongue scraper. Ayan. Itong dalawang to. Kasi kahit mag-toothbrush kayo na mag-toothbrush, kung madumi yung dila nyo, babaho pa rin ang bibig nyo. So, ayan. Ready na ako kumain ng chocolate. Bakit kayo natatawa? Did I say something? Lumiit mukha mo. Yes. Hindi, maliit talaga daw mukha ko. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko nakikita. Ewan ko, paano niyo sabing maliit?
Most people have it backwards. Confidence is the output, not the input. A lot of people ask me, Layla, how do I build confidence? And I get it because it's just like, everyone's like, oh, believe in yourself. You just need to believe in yourself. And maybe you need to write these.
Hi, Pri.
And listen, that's what I did when I was in my early 20s. I literally did this. I had it written on my mirror. It's like, I am beautiful. I am strong. I am capable. I am confident. And guess what? Nothing changed. It didn't do anything.
Sino kasama mo? Ako lang mag-isa.
Didn't do jack for how I felt the rest of my day. And the reason for that is because
See you later. See you later, pre. Saan kayo maglalaro, pre?
so often, your mood, follow the plan. Because if you keep the promises that you make to yourself, especially when you don't feel like doing it, that's the input that leads to the output of confidence. And that's what most people miss. They're so busy chasing the result. It's like if you think about it, if somebody's like, I really just want to be skinny, right? And so that all they do is just like thinking about being skinny, wishing they could be skinny, but you're like, just get in the gym, get in the gym, do the workout, eat the food. You can't just wish for it, you have to work for it. So I'll give you an example. At the age of 21, I moved across the country. I had no job, I had no money, and I had no clue what the hell I was doing. I certainly had no confidence in myself, and I wasn't confident in my ability to pull it off. And so what I did is I said, okay, I'm at least gonna put together a plan. So what I did is I moved to California. I got an apartment, and then I looked for every place that I could work, which was a gym, because I have my degree in exercise science, within walking distance. And I had to do walking distance because I was like, I can't afford to pay.
Ikaw lang mag-comment lang kayo. Ito na naman kayo
And so I
eh.
ended up getting a job in 24 hours.
Thank you,
And
Enchants.
when I got the job, what I realized within the first 2 days was that the job wasn't about fitness. It wasn't about everything I'd learned. It was actually about marketing and sales. And I was terrified because I was like, I have no idea how to do marketing and sales. And I felt like this complete imposter syndrome. I just felt like an out of my body experience because I was like, how am I supposed to do this? But at the same time, what I'm seeing is my bank account. Every single day I had $5,000 and just down, down, down. My rent was $1,400 a month. Food, gas, everything else, insurance, paying off my student loan debt, all those things every single month. I was like, I've got 3 months. And so I was like, I have to learn how to do this. And the thing is that I knew, I was like, I don't want to be the person who walks out. I don't want to be the person who quits because I knew that was just going to make me feel worse about myself. And so I put in the reps. I said,
Thank you,
I'm
Marilu.
focus on sales. I'm going to be there at 4 a.m. I'm going to leave at 9 p.m. I'm going to drill. I'm going to take every opportunity to make something.
Hindi po to diary.
Take all the opportunity possible
Journal
to
po
learn this
to.
skill. I was
Pang high
so
school ang
nervous.
diary.
First time I went to make my first sale.
Journal na tayo. Mas ano siya pakinggan. Mas klase siya pakinggan.
I didn't.
Journal.
What happened was that I was absolutely terrified for the first 30 days. I remember the moment where I made my first sale, and my manager, my team, everybody came, they all crowded around me, and they were like, you did it. And what was crazy was that none of the celebration mattered. It wasn't the fact that everyone was congratulating me. It wasn't the fact that I made the money. It was the fact of how I felt about myself. It was like vision.
Ate, ano dapat mauna? Label na relationship or assurance? Si self.
Broken right then. I didn't believe that.
Si self dapat ang mauna.
Confident in my ability to sell or to market until the sale happened. And all of a sudden, it was like more of what's possible came to mind for me. Like, I started thinking about other things I could do. I started thinking about other skills I could acquire. I started thinking about other things beyond the box that I had built of the vision of myself. That's absurd to think that if I was just reading affirmations in the mirror, that I suddenly would have been good at sales. Like, I put in the reps to get good at sales. And here's the thing, success does not discriminate. Confidence does not discriminate. It doesn't care where you've come from. It doesn't care about your background. It doesn't care about your experience. All it cares about is the fact that you put in the work to get it. So if you see people, right, you see people when you're younger, and you're like, how is that person so confident, right? Like, given all their circumstances, maybe what they look like, maybe their job, their career, they've done work you haven't done. And that's the thing. You have to work, you have to put it into existence. You have to make it happen. Here's the thing, your brain
Guys, tignan niyo yung ano ko.
and evidence
Yung anak
build
ko.
the identity and confidence over time. So someone says to me, Layla, you know, I want to go and speak at this event, but I'm not confident to speak at that event. I said, it would be absurd to
cute
think
niya.
that you would be confident when you've never
Baby ko
spoken
siya.
on stage before. Of course that's not going to happen. Our brains like to predict.
Siya si MacArthur.
If you've never done something before, your brain says, I don't know what could happen, so I'm going to make you scared. And if you're scared, you're going to avoid it, which means that you
Lambot niya.
Because our
Sobra
brains
lambot
are
niya.
wired for survival, not success. And so it is crazy to think that you
Very
actually
cute, no?
have
Ang cute.
confidence done the thing yet. You will become
Boy or girl?
done the thing.
Boy
Because
siya.
Your brain does it. It sees you didn't die.
Cute.
It says it's okay.
Yeah.
You can do it again. Now here's the thing. I wasn't like forever confident now, because just like a muscle that you work out gets weak
Very
if you don't
cute.
put it under pressure, so does confidence. Confidence is like a muscle. So if you don't work out that muscle, it's just going to get weaker and weaker over time. So if you want to build unshakable confidence, then you need a habit that tracks the truth.
Humahaba siya.
Now, what do I mean by that? When I was 100 pounds overweight and I wanted to lose that 100 pounds, I said, you know what? I'm
My baby.
what fit people do. I'm going to eat the way they do. I'm going to work out the way they do. I'm going to try and even dress the way they do. And I'm going to hope and pray it actually works, right? Because I'm sick of being fat. But the most important thing I started doing is I started tracking every single day what I ate when I worked out. It's not that within the day I lost 50,
Single parent ka po? Yes.
right? But I did notice that even if I felt like I overate, or even if I felt like I was
Nababalik
or
ba yan,
even if I
ma?
felt like my workout wasn't perfect because I was on a trip, I still consistently tracked and I still saw progress.
Gusto niyo ba neto? Gusto niyo ba ilagay ko sa yellow basket para pati kayo may baby?
Or Monday and 2 Mondays from now. And so I saw that the line wasn't like this. The line was like this. And over time, I did make a lot of progress. And that's when I realized confidence comes from data. Not
Yes, please. Promise, bibili kayo.
What happens is that
How much po?
in your brain
Wait lang. Binili ko to eh. Like literal na bili. Wait lang. Lagay ko. Sige.
And so tracking things and tracking our progress.
Alam niyo naman ako, ang hilig ko bumili ng mga
Your brain looks at it and it
bagay-bagay. Ayan o, 55 pesos lang siya.
This is important, and I'm going to believe it. Before that, all that's
Yan.
happening is that you feel like, even when you're making progress.
Para matanggal kasi yung stress mo dito. Like, look. Tignan niyo.
Lots of people actually feel that way.
Diba? Stretchable.
They don't track their progress. Your progress will be like
Yan.
this. So you remember the days that you feel low, but you don't remember the days that you feel high.
Ano yung nasa mukha mo? Tape.
You see all the days that were high, and then you're like, oh, you know what? Actually, 5
Ang tanggal ng
days
stress.
only 2 bad ones. It's just that our brains
Cute niya. Kahit anong hila mo dyan, hindi yan basta-basta mapuputol.
tendency by tracking our wins. Now, here's the thing: if you're struggling to stay consistent, and you're like,
Nawawala stress ko dito.
but I still don't feel confident, I don't feel like I'm making progress, then my guess is this: you're trying to go too big. You're taking too big of a leap. The fastest way to build confidence is to start with
Don't order na. Totoo ba?
small.
Hala, thank you guys.
Great example of this is I had a friend who every single time he started with a new client, and this is a client who was trying to lose weight, he did not get them to try and eat less the first week. He didn't get them to try and go to
Pwede ba yan suntukin? Pwede mo suntukin to.
the
Kung
first
nai-stress ka.
program. He just asked them to make their bed. Isn't that crazy? Now, why is that? Because he wanted to make it something so easy and so small that he knew that by the end of 7 days, they would feel good about the fact that they had made their bed every day. And so what that did is it created the confidence in that person so that they
Ibalik ko siya. Ganito siya, ibabalik ka. Okay, halimbawa, in-stretch mo, ginanyan mo, yan, ganyan mo siya. Paano siya babalik sa dati? Very easy.
every
Shake mo lang siyang ganyan.
in my
Oh.
business,
Okay na siya.
My goals for that quarter, right?
Ang galing, di ba?
I have
Amazing.
4 big goals that I have for the
Kaya kahit anong hila mo dyan, madali siya ibalik.
Say, did I hit it? Yes or no? I take each
Pwede mo din alisin to, oh.
as small as possible, and then every single day.
Then check out na. Oy, pakilala niyo ako sa mga baby niyo, ah.
20 steps in each of the goals.
Kung ano ipapangalan niyo dyan, ah. Kasi tignan niyo, ang ganda ng details niya. Tingnan niyo yung kamay niya.
If I look at these goals,
Tingnan yung kamay.
it's very overwhelming.
Sobrang
So,
cute.
I
Parang
realize
totoong
that
kamay
every
ng
day,
baby.
Checking off at least one piece.
Tingnan niyo
of
yung
one
paa
goal,
niya.
That has
Oh.
helped me so much in
No?
realizing that if I were to try
Cute.
and tackle
Tingnan niyo yung
all
puwet
4
niya.
of those goals in 1 week,
Ano name nun sa'yo? MacArthur.
right, and then I'm going to be really upset at myself. I'm going to feel bad.
MacArthur Highway,
To
ganun.
attack the next thing.
Ano din yung gamit mong tape? Okay, ilalagay ko din siya. Kasi, ay, ano lang guys, ingat lang kayo. Kasi merong mga ganitong tape na peke.
And I feel
Kaya pag nangati yung mga mukha nyo, it means peke sila.
I'm the kind of person who
Kasi hindi dapat mangangati to, guys.
which is you try to take on something too big, and then you're like, I'm the kind of person who doesn't achieve their goals. I don't feel good about myself. And these Valentine's time beating yourself up because you set a goal that was too big, it is unrealistic. The frame I use is tiny tweaks. What is one tiny tweak I can make today? And then what's one tiny tweak I can make tomorrow? And so on and so forth. And so, like, for example, when I'm trying to lose 5 pounds, I'll be like, oh gosh, you know what? I
Ayan.
had too many bites of that ice cream shine. What am I
Pwede yung gamit kong tape
I'm
nandyan.
going to say that tomorrow I'm going to have a zero dessert. I'm going to say tomorrow I'm going to have a Ghirardelli chocolate. Just one. Another example. I have
Para medyo namumula yung eyelash
really
mo.
scared of public speaking, and they want to be able
Hindi, nasa filter yan. Naglagay kasi ako ng eyeshadow sa filter.
told me that we have this full team meetup next year.
Andyan yung gamit kong tape
To the team, I can't
sa
do
face
anything.
ko.
And I'm like, listen,
Yung ano, number 1 siya.
here's what we're going to do. On the huddle,
Pero check out kayo neto.
just run.
Alam nyo, ipangalan nyo sa inyo Upin or
On Tuesday,
Ipin.
I just want you to give a shout out to one person. And then on the next week, I want you to own this portion. It's 120 seconds. And then I want you to also give
Anong purpose ng tape na yan sa face mo, Angge?
use that methodology.
Oily kasi yung face ko, tapos may mga acne marks ako, and mga peklat, ganun. Since ginamit ko to, ang smooth ng skin ko, tignan mo.
And they're doing a presentation.
Ang smooth.
to your team. And
Ayan,
also,
oh.
if you can do a presentation to your team, you
Ang
can
smooth
do a
niya.
presentation to the whole team.
Hindi ko alam paano nangyari yan, pero mas gumanda yung skin ko. And ang dami din magandang reviews nito.
Public speaking and turn them into
And
people who are
binili ko talaga to. Wala naman akong balak i-promote siya. Pero nagulat talaga ako, promise. Nagulat ako, nagising ako, tapos magbibideo sana ako. Pagtingin ko sa mukha ko, ang ganda ng mukha ko.
and eventually to the
Tapos eto siya, eto nga siya.
confidence
Pag inalis ko yan, ang daming mga oil.
to
Ganon.
create that
Para tong pimple patch, pero mas
tasks down.
malaki.
Tiny
Para siyang pimple patch. Ate, sugat na sa bridge mo. Anyari, pasa.
and start the baby steps.
Naghihilom na.
Understand is that emotion follows motion, not the other way around. Here's what I've learned.
Ano difference ng
Tolerate
apat?
fear and discomfort rather than trying to
What do you
eliminate it.
mean?
It's how I've been able to transform everything that I have done, everything
Ano apat?
from content creation to public speaking to running a giant company to buying multiple buildings to doing everything. I was no less
Thank you,
scared
Dam.
than you watching this.
Check out tayo ng baby nyo,
I was
guys.
willing to be scared. I decided that I was willing to be uncomfortable. Here's the thing. Fear is a mile wide and an inch deep. Fear
Kanya.
means your brain is working properly. It's not wrong.
Pwede gawing pimple patch. Yes, pwede gawing pimple patch. Parang pimple patch lang talaga to. May ibang kulay. Sa mga iba may ibang kulay, pero mas okay na yung ganito.
Hard to tell you. Your brain is wired for survival, not
Di ba? Halos last year lang puro star, puro mga character yung mga nasa mukha natin. Ngayon mga tape na.
breakthrough. And then when I
Next time, ano kaya?
What I've learned is that once you feel it, right, you step into the situation you're scared of, you step on stage, you're behind the camera, you sign the document. You
Anong basket yung doll? Pinakadulo po.
want the fear to go away or not, it will. I promise you. Because that's how we're physiologically.
Bibihisan ko na siya. Lalagay ko na siya ng panty niya. Ay, brief
You're
pala.
on that stage. This happens to me every time. Mouth dry, palms are sweaty, knees weak, whatever it might be, right? Step on stage, that's how I feel. Then within
Malambot siya. Tumitigas siya. Ay, alin ba? Itong baby? O yung pimple pa? Ay, yung
I
tape.
feel like I spit in my mouth again. And then within 2 minutes,
Nasisira ba yan? I mean, napuputol. Kapag super puwersa nyo, feel ko masisira siya kasi
so
distractable pa rin siya.
all these things is that my emotions follow my motion. That is how you behave your way into confidence. confidence, and you build up so much evidence that it would be unreasonable not to be confident. So here's how I want this to feel for you. I want you to visualize what's the thing that you're so scared of, that you wish you had confidence in order to confront. And now I want you to picture it like this. This is how you actually confront it. You say, okay, here's this thing that I'm really terrified of, right? Maybe it's a conversation I'm gonna have with my spouse. Maybe it's I'm gonna tell my parents I'm not going to college. Maybe it's I'm going to fire somebody in my company, whatever it is. Instead of trying to meditate or trying to affirm or trying to manifest the fear away, you're instead going to say, you know what, I'm going to take the fear, I'm going to put it all in my purse, and I'm going to take it with me to wherever I go and whatever I do. So I'm not going to try and get rid of it. In fact, I'm going to try and take it with me, because I'm still going to go do the thing. I'm going to have the fear with me. It's just like my little friend in my purse. I know it's there. I feel it.
Meron din ako isa-suggest sa inyo na nagpatulong sa face ko. And
I'm going to take it with me.
sobrang healthy ng skin ko ngayon, yung mukha ko. Yung moisturizer na gamit ko. Itong Originote. Ang ganda na ito.
Maybe now you want to take that new
Hindi talaga ako nagmo-moisturizer before. Puro lang ako sunscreen.
Lead yourself better. If you want to learn how to lead people better, you go ahead and do that.
Pero syempre ngayon, kailangan kong mag-moisturizer kasi sobrang oily ng mukha ko after surgery. So, ito yung ginagamit ko, yung Originote. Ang gaganda ng mga reviews nito. And for me, effective siya at gusto ko siya. Pakita ko yung mukha ko sa inyo ng maayos.
So if you're sick of being talked over,
Ayan. Tingnan nyo.
that will help.
Ayan na, hindi perfect ang mukha ko, pero ang smooth niya.
Let's start with the biggest line.
Ayan, i-zoom ko para makita niyo yung imperfection ko dito banda sa ilong. Kasi nga, ito, hindi ko masyadong pwedeng galawin to. So, hindi ko siya masyadong nalilinis ng super. Dahil sensitive pa ilong ko. Pero ito, yan, nakikita nyo.
Into rooms begging, pleading.
Nawala yung mga pimple, pimple marks ko. Sa noo ko, mas naging smooth siya.
Or maybe it's a friend that just takes it all the time. But the truth is this, if you're not
Kaya, ayun, ang ganda. Ganito gawin nyo.
tricks, videos, TV,
Tuwing gabi,
like
mag-deep deep cleansing kayo.
and they're not
Deep cleansing.
real foundation.
Tapos, maglagay kayo ng moisturizer and then maglagay kayo nito. Paggising nyo, ang ganda ng balat nyo. Ang kinis niya.
Respect isn't earned from other people. It's actually maintained within ourselves. And then other people catch on to the respect that we already have with ourselves. So people respecting you is actually a lagging indicator of you respecting yourself. Meaning, the world catches up, but you're the one who has to go first, right? And so you have to respect yourself before anybody else is going to. And the fastest way to prove respect is to
Ipopromote ko lang tong mga to kasi
respect themselves.
may deadline ako eh.
About 4 years ago,
Ito.
and we had the meeting, and I had 40
Ano pinapanood mo? Podcast po.
female executives, and one of the female executives came to me and she said, "Oh, you know,
Tingnan mo.
he doesn't respect me." It's funny because the way that I actually saw the conversation go was that she has such little respect for herself. She didn't advocate for herself in the room. She didn't speak like somebody who respected herself, and she taught other people in the room how to talk to her because of the way she showed up. She didn't have certainty, she didn't advocate for herself, and she allowed people to speak over her. So many times that we catch ourselves pointing to the other person, and it's so often in the workplace, especially with women, we're saying, well, that person doesn't respect me. It's like, well, have I actually learned how to respect myself? Do I even know what self-respect looks like? And I asked her that question. I said, do you know what it looks like to respect yourself? And she was like, I actually don't. I really don't. And it's a loop a lot of people get caught in. Someone disrespects you. It makes you feel small. You know, you feel pissed off. You feel frustrated. You feel angry. And then you think, I've got to prove everybody wrong. So what do? You try harder to prove your worth. And then what happens? They might actually respect you less, not more. And that's exactly what happened to her. She kept trying to prove that she needed to be respected. I saw she would escalate in the room. She would raise her tone of voice. She would do all these things that they weren't respectable. They were actually rude. They were mean. They seemed like somebody would do those things if you were talking to an enemy, not somebody on your own team. And then, here's what happens when she realized that was her behavior. She lost more self-respect. And that's what happens in that cycle. Then you lose more self-respect because you're trying to appease another person rather than yourself. And then you repeat the cycle. I know what you're thinking, which is like, if I stop trying to earn other people's respect, doesn't that make me look arrogant or selfish? But here's the thing. Respecting yourself doesn't make you selfish. It makes you stable. Because when you respect yourself, your boundaries are clear, you have standards that are non-negotiable, and people around you know where they stand. And ironically, it's like one of the kindest, most generous things that you can do because nobody has to guess who they're dealing with. They understand what your standards are and how you treat yourself. And trying to earn respect by tolerating disrespect is like trying to get healthy by eating cake and hoping your body's just not going to notice. We want to break that.
Ganda.
And that takes a
Save ka sa akin.
Number two, we measure people by what they cost you, not what they say. Just because somebody talks up a big game doesn't mean that they should be.
Ang toothpaste din para maka-order ako sa YB mo.
Somebody makes it hard.
Yung toothpaste ko, binibili ko lang sa tindahan.
Expensive to have in my
Pero sige, ano ko siya.
how connected or how
Kasi may inaantay akong may inaantay
to
akong
evaluate, is that person worth your time and energy? One,
padala
do I
ng
like
brand sa
time?
akin sa mga toothpaste.
Do they challenge me in ways that elevate me? Or do
Pati yung camera. Yes, nasa yellow basket din po ito.
Does my behavior with them, when I'm around them, move me closer or further from my values?
Ang ganda nito guys. Napakaliit pero napakaganda. Ito pa. Amazing din to. Mga bago kong nabili.
It's not about him, it's about
Rings.
It's not that he in
For ano lang to? Fashion lang. Accessories lang.
choosing to stay.
Hindi to pang matagalan na susuotin mo pang araw-araw na
What do I do?
kasi
I know they don't respect me. It feels
fashion lang to. Accessories lang. Pag aalis ka, gusto mong magmukhang yayamanin. Ayan. Ang dami niya.
the other person
Ang daming sinising. Bilangan ko. 1,
to the same situation over and over again. The person's not going to
Two.
change because if you barely can get themselves to
lagay
change.
natin.
Think about yourself in
One,
the video. You're trying to figure out how to respect yourself.
Two.
You think for some reason you're going to have more pull over somebody else's behavior than your own. That's just not the case.
Three.
And so you can't expect somebody's going to leave. You have to leave the situation. And I know that you're probably thinking, well,
Four.
job, I can't get another job, or like this is my business partner, like I have to make it work, or I've been married for this. Like,
5,
but at the same time, there's a quote that comes to mind every time I think of it. Like,
6,
the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and
7,
over again, expecting a different result. The situation won't change unless you do. And you
8,
don't change by wanting, you don't change by wishing, and you don't change by feeling. You change by doing something.
9,
Someone saying or doing something disrespectful
10,
doesn't inherently make them toxic. It's
11.
the disrespect is that what makes it toxic. Is that you allow yourself to remain in that situation. Someone can't disrespect you if you leave the situation. And so allowing someone to continually disrespect us
12,
is when you give away your own power. And then you lose respect for yourself.
13,
Here's where things get interesting. Is that self-respect
14,
is a system, not a feeling. Okay, most people think that
15.
self-respect is something that you earn. But the truth is,
15.
self-respect is a daily set of behaviors.
Ang ganda oh.
Self-respect. You do self-respect. So
Alam
let's break
nyo,
down behaviors that actually build self.
Grabe para akong para
I don't know how many
akong
times I have to say this. Keep your fucking word to yourself. If you don't keep your word
para
to
akong
yourself,
asawa ng mga
people
contractor.
disrespect you, then you have nothing to complain about. You don't
Yeah. Gusto ko yung ano na yan.
You might say,
Yung
oh, this person disrespected
I like that
saying they were going to do something and then they did
Mercedes-Benz
something else or
yan.
whatever it might be. Okay, but if you don't
BMW.
keep your word to yourself, how can you
tricycle.
else to keep it to you? This happens all the time in
Ay, ang
relationships.
ganda niyan.
Say, which
Bet.
only takes one person to change a
Oh.
relationship. And that goes for this as well. Because if you change, the other person has to change.
Ang ganda. Accessories to guys ha. So, maganda to kasi
You need to feel better. But you don't
hindi
have
mo kailangan hindi mo ano ba yan? Hindi ko na alam ang mga sinasabi ko. Ano ba nangyari sa akin?
to leave environments.
Sorry na, didistract kasi ako sa sa pinapanood
When
ko.
I was 18, I lived in a house with 6 people, and I realized that everything they did, smoking weed, drinking, partying, stealing, lying, cheating, it was all out of alignment with the person that I wanted to be. And so I left. I didn't say, you guys need to respect me by upholding these standards that I want you to have of your life because for some reason that will make me feel better. No, I just said this. I'm leaving the situation. They can do whatever they want.
Diba may nang away sa'yo?
My life, and so I left.
Sabi
And I
niya,
went
"Hoy."
in the house by myself because I said it makes it harder for me to respect myself when I'm surrounded by these people. It's a question I ask myself a lot. Am I surrounding myself with people that make me lose respect for myself? Because maybe I'm tolerating stuff from them that I wouldn't tolerate from other people. Maybe I'm acting in a way when I'm around them that makes it harder for me to respect myself. Or maybe I feel that their disrespect for themselves makes it hard for me to respect myself around them. The really big one is when people are drinking and doing drugs. Like, I still to this day get uneasy when I'm around somebody that drinks a lot because I feel they don't have respect for themselves. And I'm like, I just hold myself to a higher standard of how much I respect my body, my mind, all these things. It's really hard for me to be around that now because I know what it was like. And so I don't sit there and try to preach to them. I'm not like, oh, you should stop drinking.
Check out.
I'm just like, I just won't be hanging out with you. I'm not even gonna tell them. I'm just not gonna be there. You don't need to make other people feel bad for the fact they don't respect themselves. You just need to respect yourself by leaving the situation. Now, the third behavior is that you want to choose discomfort over self-abandonment. Most people, this happens all the time. They would rather abandon themselves, their values, their principles, their sense of self, than be uncomfortable. Instead, we want to say this: I will choose discomfort if it means keeping the respect I have for myself. So I'll give you an example of when this happened to me in the workplace. So when I got a job at a gym, when I was 21, I joined the gym, and it was the one that I felt like I could make the most money, the fastest, which I had moved all the way across the country. I didn't have much money, so I was like, okay, whatever, I'll just work here. And when I was there, I remember it was like 4 days in, and one of the managers, he was like, hey, you should go talk to those guys over there. And it was like this group of older men, and I was like, why? And he was like, well, I think that
Ano
are
guys?
their clients.
Ano?
Definitely not my ideal.
May question
My
kayo?
clients are women in their 20s. Why? And he was like, listen, I remember he looked me dead in the eye. He like grabbed me.
Anong gusto niyo?
And right there, he was like, pull down your shirt, pull up your shorts, go talk to them. In the moment, I was like, I don't even know what's happening right now.
Pinapanood mo podcast.
Later that day, I said,
Ang ganda, ang galing.
and I just called them after and I said, I'm not working here, I'm done. And they were like, why? And I was like, not for me. I'd rather be uncomfortable knowing that I don't have the money, don't have all this. You know, now I'm uncomfortable with the fact that like, I don't know how I'm gonna make ends meet, but at least I keep my dignity. At least I'm keeping my values. Like, that's just not how I roll. And by the way, if you roll that way, whatever, you do you. But like, I just don't roll that way. And so I was like, I just gotta exit the situation. And doing little
Ay,
things
eto,
like that
isasuggest ko sa
that's
inyo
how you
to.
build respect for yourself. It's by keeping the promises, keeping the boundaries, and deciding it's okay to be uncomfortable as long as I'm finding my values.
May isasuggest ako sa inyo guys. Nakatulong sa akin to. And I'm sure makakatulong din to sa inyo. Ilalagay ko lang.
Lose
Wait lang.
respect for themselves because of what they say to other people. And then they walk away thinking, I shouldn't have said that. I think I said too much. I'm not happy with how I showed up. I don't know if I should have said that. And that's because they speak out of impulse and
Ito.
emotion. This
Amazing.
from
Ito yung binabasa ko ngayon. The Secret of Human Nature. Bigyan ko kayo ng ng idea ha, kung ano tong book na to.
Like, what's the action you want this person to do? What
Ito yung gusto ko.
when you get done talking? I don't ask
Human nature hints you must know.
have happened. And that's a huge one.
English to pero meron Tagalog na ito. So, ito.
Mad at your spouse because they didn't get you the gift you wanted on your birthday. You say, okay, well, why am I mad? Because I'm uncomfortable with the fact that
Hindi ko alam maiintindihan niyo pero babasahin ko.
but they forgot it for me, and so I'm
Mga hints to guys na kumbaga sinasabi dito sa book na to, makiramdam ka. Kapag may mga ganito silang sinabi, ito yung reason dyan. Pakiramdaman mo. Ganito. When you visit a friend's house and their wife keeps hiding in her room and refuses to come out, it means she doesn't welcome you. It's best to find an excuse to leave. Sa Tagalog, kapag pumunta ka sa bahay ng kaibigan mo tapos yung partner nila nagtatago or hindi nagpapakita sa'yo, it means hindi ka niya wina-welcome. So, hanap ka ng excuse para umalis. Totoo yun guys. If marunong kayo makiramdam, if you know how to read the room, sobrang true yun. Next one. When someone consults you on a problem and say, I have a friend who, they are talking about themselves. Don't expose. Pakiramdaman mo, kapag yung kaibigan mo nagsabi, may kaibigan ako, sabi niya ganyan-ganyan, ibig sabihin daw nun, most likely, minimin niya yung sarili niya, kaya wag mo yung i-expose. Wag mo siyang anuhin. Ang galing! Next one. If you confess your feelings and a girl says you are a good person, it means she doesn't like you and has already rejected you. Totoo yan. Sino mga nakarelate dyan na kapag sinabing mabait kang tao, it means ayaw ka nila, hindi ka nila bet as maging jowa or something. Totoo yun. Totoo yun. Next one naman. When someone is sarcastic or speaks ambiguously in front of you, they are often actually talking about you. Tama! Kapag yung tao, kinakausap mo, tapos sarcastic siyang nagsasalita sa'yo, it means ikaw ang pinaparinggan niya. Ito, sana makaramdam ang mga tao dito, ha? Especially sa mga taong mahilig mangutang. If you borrow money from someone and they say, I need to check with my wife, it means they are not lending you any money. Pakiramdaman nyo naman yun na kapag mangungutang ka tapos ang sagot sa'yo, wait lang, itatanong ko lang. Ibig sabihin, ayaw ka nilang pahiramin. Wag ka na makulit. Ang ganda na ito, marami kang malalaman dito, guys. Madami talaga. Ate, ano gamit mo, Lippy? At yung book na to. Ay, yung gamit ko, guys, is petroleum lang yun. Kinakaskas ko lang sa lips ko para hindi maging dry. The Secret of Human Nature. Ang ganda na ito. Marami kayong matututunan dito, guys. Marami kayong matututunan. And meron pa, pinaka nakatulong sa akin, itong Common English Mistakes. If gusto nyo mag-improve yung English nyo, especially yung grammar nyo, get this. Worth it to, guys. Okay, explain ko lang. Ito. Ang dami ko kasing mali sa English ko. And nung nabili ko to, binili ko to hindi ko siya pinopromote. Binili ko talaga to. Lo, asan yung nails ko? Saan napunta yung nails ko? Kailan pa to wala? Hindi ko napansin. Kailan pa to wala? Hindi yung sinasabi. Kailan pa to wala? Ngayon lang? Naipit ba siya dito? Ngayon lang? What? Asa nail ko? Baka nasa book. Kailan ba ito wala? Bro. Likot mo kanina eh. Anyway. Sino yung nagsasabi dito na Did you went to the grocery? Ganyan. Did you went to the, to labas? Did you went there? Mali pala ang grammar nyo. Hindi dapat siya went. Dapat, did you go? Kasi nga, nakalagay dito, may did na nga, bakit may went pa? Oo nga naman. Sabi dito, best, kapag may did na sa sentence, automatic na dapat base form ng verb ang kasunod. Hindi mo na kailangan lagyan ng ed o gawing past tense ulit. Ang did ay past na, so wag mo nang doblehin. Ang galing! Ako kasi ganun na ako before. Did you went to ganyan? Did you went? Puro ako. Das ngayon, did you go? Did they went home? Mali. Did they go home? Tama. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. Where did he went? Where did he go dapat? Ang galing. Sobrang amazing nito. Ito din. Ito yung common mistake. Literal. Common mistake. More better, more stronger. May na, lalagyan mo pa ng more. Alam mo yon yung mga mahilig magsabing more, more. Yung mahilig magsabi ng more. More better, more pretty. Uy, I want to be more pretty. Dapat wala na siyang more. I want to be pretty. That ganyan siya. Instead of more better, more stronger. Better and stronger lang dapat siya. Wala nang more. Kasi nga, meron na siyang sa dulo. Gets nyo ba? Mag-check out kayo nito. Ang ganda nito. Ito. Common mistake. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Yung niya. Ayan. Pagkakaiba niya. Alam niyo ba na pet peeve ko to? Kapag, especially kapag may nagtatry mag-flirt, pang grade 6, No, it's not pang grade 6 kasi kahit adult ka, kahit matanda ka na, some people make mistakes sa mga English nila. And it's not something to be laughed about. It's not even funny, diba? It's alarming. So, it's not too late to learn about these things over and over again. Basic naman yan. Te, mahaba kasi to. Sa una, basic siya. Tapos dito, ayan, padami ng padami. Pasensya na hindi lahat kasing talino nyo kasi at kasing perfect nyo At least, may mga taong willing pa rin matuto at mag-aral. Hindi sila nagde-degrade ng mga taong mabababa ang EQ. Diba? Not everyone is perfect as you. EQ? Diaper yan. Wait lang, asan yung nails ko? What the heck? Ano ba naman tong nails na to? Saan napunta yun? IQ. IQ nga, hindi nyo ba napansin? Sabi ko EQ. Ano ka, diaper? Ang hirap nyo ma-joke-joke. Anong nangyari sa mundo? Bakit lahat ng mga tao super seryoso at sensitive na? Asan yung nails ko? Gara. What? Kailan pa natanggal? Kanina... Kailan pa natanggal yan? Ano hinahanap po? Yung nails ko. Kanina, nung malikot ka? Ha? Saang part? So, nandito lang siya? So, dito lang ako, nakaupo, tapos natanggal na? Kailangan kong mahanap yon kasi wala na akong extra. Baka sa CR. Pumunta na ako sa CR eh. Hala, wala na akong extra nun. Bili kita. Hindi ko na kayang walang nails. Sorry, pero malandi na yung kamay ko. Hindi ko na kaya ng walang nails. Sa journal. Tinitingnan ko nga eh. Ha? Kapag kasi wala akong nails, natitempt ako. Natitempt akong gawa na lang po kita ng nails. Ayoko nang ginagawa, natitempt akong kagat-kagatin, tas nagsusugat yung nails ko. Bumalik na naman kasi ako sa pag-nail biting, kaya kailangan ko ng nails. Ano ba yan? Anong iniisip niyo? Sabay sa heg, wala nga feel, baka andito. Di ba nagsuot ako ng mga ring? Wala. Wala. Okay, bili na nga lang kita. Ang tagal po kasi bago dumating Tsaka yung size ng nails ko, medium. Ay, medium ba? Small ata. What the? Where is it? Paano nawala yun? Kanina nagtututbrush ako, andito pa siya, no? Umupo ako eh. Oo nga, umupo lang naman ako. O, ba't nawala? Kayo, nanonood kayo, nakikita niyo yung kamay ko, di niyo napansin na wala na pala. Hello guys. Sa CR. Wala, ni-check ko na sa CR. Kasi, wala rin sa CR. Ito, check ko ulit. Wala talaga. Tsaka kung nasa CR to, madali ko lang siya makita. Yeah. I need it. Kainis! Ayoko na. Ang mahal pa naman ng mga nails ko. Bad trip. Hala, ayoko. White lang ang gusto ko eh. Dapat pala madami na akong binili. Bili na nga lang kita. Sige. Wala ka ng ibang nails dyan. Meron po. Pero ayoko yung... gusto ko yung puti. Malinis lang tignan. Bili na nga ako para agad-agad nang dumating. Kainis. Bili na ako ng marami. Para kahit mawalan ako, meron pa rin. Problema, damihan mo na. Yes, dadamihan ko na. Puro white lang talaga. Buong taon, puti lang ang makikita nyo. Ganun. Wait lang. Linis lang ako ilong. Kalapastangan ng hindi nakangiti. Thank you. Wait lang. Ang mahal kasi ng mga nails na to eh. Tig 70. Sige, ilalagay ko dito. Nasa, ko naman siya. Nasa history ko naman siya. Dito na din kayo mag-order, guys. Actually, wala na akong kikitain dito. Pero sige, i-share ko sa inyo. Ayan. Ang mahal kasi. Ang size ko guys is S. So kung ganito din ang mga fingers nyo, baka magka-size tayo. S. What if mag-iba ako ng color sa birthday ko, no? Ang mahal. Mas bagay, guys? Yung square o almond? Kasi yung almond yung patusok. Yan. Ano mas bagay? Mas bagay to ba? Yung ganyan lang? Square lang bagay, no? Nag-ano na kasi ako eh. Ganun na ako. Parang ipin. Yes. Yan, no? Hala! Walang S nito. Magwawala ako. Ayoko na. Hala, ang arte niya na. Hala, ang arte ko na, guys. Sorry, naiinis na ba kayo? Gusto nyo ba yung mga kuko ko, yung itim-itim na lang yung nasa tuktok? Libagin. Pasensya na, guys, ha. People change. Short almond. Mas malinis tignan pag ganito, no? Pag square lang. Maganda rin naman yung almond, eh. Malandi ang almond, eh. Pero, sige. Grabe, ang mahal agad, oh. 188 agad. Thank you po. Mag-order na ako. Ang pangit. Ang pangit. Ang hirap, alam mo, ang hirap pakita nun. Ang hirap makita nun yan kasi puro puti dito sa, sa condo. Wala yan sa bed. Kung dito na wala yan sa bed. Hindi, okay lang. Ba't ganyan ang ngiti mo? Ang tigas kasi ng mukha ko po. I mean, matigas yung stiff pa. Kumbaga, hindi matigas na mukha akong Hindi ganun. Gamit na kasi to eh. Gamit na to, oh. Tingnan nyo. Nabubura na yung niya. Ang ganda bago. Aki, kailan birthday mo? Birthday ko po sa February 8. Ano araw yun? Wait lang, check ko sa calendar ko. May calendar ako sa journal. Tignan nyo. Sunday! Sunday siya, guys. Grabe, sakto. Makakapag-church ako. Can I send you gift? Totoo po ba? Yes, of course. I'd be happy na makatanggap ng gift. Kahit ano pa yan, guys. Kahit bigyan nyo ako ng bato, okay lang. Pipinturahan ko yung bato. Thank you, Dika. Guys, wait lang ah. Wait lang. Pa-check out nyo muna to. Yan. Hindi ko mahanap talaga. Nagbukas ako aircon. Thank you! Tignan nyo to, pag binuksan nyo to, meron ng ano. Thank you po. Ayaw nyo ba mag-question and answer? Ay, patanggal na po ng mga ano, ng mga products. Sana'y lalala mo pang hindi ko na kailangan yung mayawa. Nakikita mo ba comment ko? Yes, me. I can see your comment, me. Hi, Wolfie. Ang Harvard ko. Mag-work na naman ako mamaya yan. Thank you, Dika J. Hi, Angge. Hello, Lori. Kamusta nose mo? Namimiss ko talaga yung piercing ko. Tuloy Siargao mo, hindi ko po sure. Pero na-move siya ng April. Pero hindi ko pa rin sure. Kasi hindi pa safe ang mag-swimming or magpa-araw. Lovely, nakikita ko po ang comment mo. I love you so much, ate. I love you too. Hello, Amge. Hello po. How are you, Angge namin? Okay lang. Happy. Walang travel this year. Meron! Hindi pwedeng wala. I have to travel this year. Syempre. Di ko na bala sinalo. Hi, Alicia. With friends? Kaya ko naman mag-travel mag-isa, but it's okay to have friends with me. Ang ganda talaga ng skin ko dahil dito sa ano na to. Tape na to. Happy. Diba? Kinis. Ang ganda ng mukha ko, ha? Wow. Smooth. Sobrang smooth. Gumamit kayo neto. Very smooth. Cute, no? Always full of surprises. Hindi, nakikita ko yan. Hi guys, ang cute nito. Akala ko filter na it's real. Te, bakit yung kamay mo hindi lumaki? Wala lang. Ang cute nito. Sobrang happy ko sa mga nabibili ko. Hindi pantay kulay mo, te. Pantay yan. Nagto-toner lang kasi ako banda dito sa ano. Ang liit ng kamay, lugi. Grabe naman. Grabe kayong mga judge. Lagi nyo na lang binabash yung maliliit kong kamay. Kikita mo yan? Ha? Ang dami ko dito actually. Para akong tanga. Paano magsasend ng gift sa'yo? Sa totoo lang, hindi ko na alam paano mag-send ng mga regalo kasi trauma na din ako sa sa ganyan. Wala na akong... Ay! Kaso baka busy. Sila Kat. Eh. Chat nyo po si Kat. Kasi bawal kong pagsabi yung bahay ko para for safety. Pero pwede kayo mag-send ng gift. Or pwede nyo isend sa bahay ko sa Pampanga. Sino si Kat? Admin ko po siya. Ayan si Dang. Oo, yan. Pwede si Dang. Yan, si Dang. Si Dang po. Nandyan sa comment. Si Dang. Pwede nyo siyang i-chat. Hala, ang cute ng mga maliliit na kamay. Parang kamay ng mga baby. Thank you again. Thank you, me. I love you too. Ganda na pala tayo dati kasi yung tipong kapag tayo nagkatitigan. Hala, ang angas naman nito. Guys, baka gusto niyo ng ng iPad Pro 12.94 Gen for only 38k pesos. Ang mura naman na ito. Parang deserve ko to. Ang ganda oh. Yung friend ko kasi nagpapa-help siya, baka may gustong bumili. Hala, ang ganda nito. Ganto siya. Baka gusto yung bilhin, sabihin nyo sa akin. Kasi ang mura lang nito. Ang mura lang niya. 512 GB siya. And meron na siyang kasamang charger case and universal pencil. Baka gusto nyo guys. 38,000 lang siya. Ang mura na. Sa nails mahal, pero sa iPad mura. Iba naman kasi ang presyo talaga ng mga ganito. Pero hindi ko bibilin to, syempre. Buhay pa naman yung iPad 9 ko. Grabe. Yung iPad 9 ko na yung pindutan niya is yung bilog pa dito. Naalala niyo yun? Yung mga cellphone na may bilog dito. Yun pa yung pindutan nun. Face out na yun. Pero meron pa rin ako. Buhay pa rin siya. At inaamin ko na namimiss kita. Na namimiss kita. Sa akin ikaw pa rin ang baby ko. Baby ko kahit wala ka lang sa piling ko. Parang gusto ko ng tiramisu. Dahil ikaw pa rin ang baby ko. Hindi pa napopost yung mga ano ko. Tagal ma-post. Tingnan nyo yung, di ba, ito yung TikTok ko. Tingnan nyo to. Tapos, tignan nyo to. Tingnan nyo to. Pero pag tinignan nyo sa profile ko, wala yan. Ang galing, di ba?
Hi. Pausa.
Hello. Sino to?
Where are you from?
Philippines.
I was in Philippines before.
Oh, you've been here? Where are you from?
I'm from Russia. Where are you in
Russia.
Philippines?
Привет.
Привет, привет.
Привет.
Where are you in Philippines?
Manila.
I was in Manila, Makati, BJC, Newport.
Oh.
Yeah, also Mall of Asia.
How is it? Do you like it
Good.
here?
Yes, very beautiful and people so kind.
You should come back here.
Yeah. Where are you in Manila, if it's not secret?
Quezon City. Do you know Quezon City?
Yes.
Yes. I live here.
Do you was in Boracay?
What?
Do you was in Boracay?
I've never been to Boracay, but soon I'll go there. How is it? Is
Beautiful.
oh.
Yeah. Nice. Nice sunset.
Where are you in Russia?
Siberia. You know, Siberia.
Oh.
Very cold place. I have snow here. You wanna see?
Yes, I want to see the snow.
You never see snow before? Or you see?
I did. I have seen snow.
Where?
I used to study in Japan, and there's a snow there.
When you back to Philippines from Japan?
Ang hirap naman.
Look.
Oh, that's a lot of snow. It must be really
Every day.
there.
There is snow.
Tulungan niyo ako mag-English. That's a lot of snow.
Oh, that. Also cold. -20 today. -20 outside. Minus.
Oh.
You have +30, right? How weather now in Manila?
Huh?
How weather now in Manila? Weather.
It's not that cold. Wait, let me check the weather. Ay!
Yes, you have. You have plus 30. I have minus 20. Remember, we have different 50. It's like 50 degrees. Minus, you know, minus.
Yes.
It's very cold.
That's cold.
Yes. What happened to your face? What are you doing?
Oh, this is just for my acne, for pimples.
Ah,
It's just a tape.
recovering.
Yeah.
Tape. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
I'm 23.
Oh. Hindi ako kinikilig. Guys, di ko alam sasabihin ko.
Follow me. We can battle next time also.
Okay. I'll follow you.
Why
Mamaya
you don't
ko.
have picture in your profile?
I don't know what to put. I have a lot of pictures and I don't know what to choose. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have kids? Thank you, Ellie.
No, I'm not. I don't have kids. I'm single.
Okay. Thank you, Ellie.
Mag-drop na lang kayo guys para may nasasabi ako.
Guys, we need 20 points. 20 points, guys. Come on, let's play.
Ayan ang gusto nyo mag-PK.
How many countries you visit before? Philippines and Japan? What else?
Philippines, Japan, Taiwan, Vietnam, Thailand. Yun lang ba?
Oh, where you was in
Singapore.
Thailand? Where do you was in Thailand? Which place you visit Thailand?
Ano kasi Bangkok.
Only Bangkok?
Only Bangkok.
It's good, right?
What about you? Have you been to Phuket?
Thailand? Phuket, Pattaya, Bangkok.
Oh.
I think Bangkok same with Manila.
Thank you, Akira. So, how was your trip in Thailand? I love Thailand. I want to go back to Thailand.
Yeah, it's amazing. Next time I'm back, I think. Guys, go, team. Snipe it, guys, snipe it.
Playboy. Hindi ko naman papatulan. Ito naman. Excuse me. Guys. Ayun.
Snipe.
Okay, thank you so much. It was nice meeting you.
You wanna go? You wanna play
Yeah.
one more maybe, no?
I'm gonna go. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye, see you.
See you. Unfollow ko na. Ay, ako talaga. Ma-offend ba siya pag in-unfollow ko siya? Ang awkward. Ayoko talaga nakipag-usap. Nahiya talaga. Ay, bakit naman? Hindi kasi ako sanay mag-follow ng hindi ko ang pina-follow ko kasi talaga. Hindi ko kasi nakikita yung mga following ko. Yung mga following ko, puro mga friends ko. Puro sila. Ayan May girls din yan, ibang lahi. Alam niyo siguro kaya lagi ako nauutal every time may nakakausap akong foreigner kasi hindi ako sanay makipag-usap sa mga tao. Siguro, it's time para sanayin ko yung sarili ko sa mga ganito. Nauutal ako, alam niyo yung pakiramdam na alam ng utak ko kung ano ang dapat kong sabihin. Pero yung lumalabas sa bibig ko, hindi tugma sa kung anong iniisip ko. Sa isip ko, straight yung English ko at tama yung grammar ko. Pero pag lalabas na sa bibig ko, mali na. Kabado malala. Ganon. Like, ba tinanong ako, alam ng utak ko yung sasabihin ko. Ito talaga yung may sumpa, tong bibig na to. Oy, pero ang sayo makipag-PK. Sige, itatry ko mag-PK. At least, diba, hindi ibang muka ang mga nakaka-PK ko ngayon. Hindi na tayo, mga mabigote. Girls naman, boss. Gusto ko yung ganun, yung nag-i-invite sila, hindi ako yung nag-i-invite. Nahihiya kasi ako, pero try ko. Ayan oh, daming girls. Puro nanay. Puro nanay talaga eh. Good afternoon guys. Agya, malapit na birthday mo. Yes. Grabe, magta-26 na ako. Ang tanda ko na. Grabe, ang tanda ko na. Hindi ko pa naranasan yung mag-profile picture ka ng may kasamang partner. Kaya yung cover ka ng may kasamang partner. Lo. Wala sa hawa. Sa tamang panahon, ayoko. Malapit na ang Valentine's. Ating kang ka-date kanyan. Hindi ko alam. "26 mukha kang baby niya. I'm no one's baby." How old are you? Magta-26 na po. Namamansin ba to? Yes. Date with friends or fam? Myself siguro. Buhay pa ba si Heart? No, wala na si Heart. Nung mga time na umuwi ako ng Pampanga for Christmas and New Year, pagbalik ko dito, tubig na lang siya. Like, pag pindot ko ng ganyan, pumusit sa akin, tubig laman niya. Dahil ba before ako umalis, nalunod siya? Pero naiwan dyan si Spike. Hindi naman, syempre. Pag iniwan ko si Spike dito, pagbalik ko, si Urchin na lang siya. Inuwi ko siya. Wala magpapakain sa kanya. Ang tagal kong nasa Pampanga. I'm free on Valentine's Day. I can be third wheel, but there must be a town. Alam nyo, if you don't have a date on Valentine's Day, date yourself. Pero, mas pipiliin kong magstay na lang dito sa condo kasi nakakairita lumabas on Valentine's Day. Kasi most likely crowded yung mga place like mga restaurant, ganyan. Mga crowded yan for sure. Usually, how much rate ng convo? Convo? What? Happy birthday, princess. Condo. Ang mga condo is millions talaga siya. Millions. Pa-shout out Ate Angge, please. Hi, pleaser. Your own place ba? Rent to own po yung condo. Rent to own. Sa puso ko. Guys, diba ilang taon na akong nandito sa QC? QC girl na ba ako niyan? Are you planning to build your own house? Hindi ko sure. Hindi ako marunong mag-construction. Siguro magpa-design tas ipagawa sa construction. Pero ako magtayo, hindi ko kaya po yun. Wala akong knowledge sa ganun. Yes, QC girl. Totoo ba? QC girl na ako. So, QC girl's fine. Yoko muna ng iba. Okay, QC girl na ako. Ilang taon na din ako nakatira dito, no? Tsaka may ano na ako. Meron na, oo, residente na ako dito. Yes, QC girl ako. Proud Kapampangan pa rin.
Wala nang iba pang higit sa'yo. Walang kapantayan dito sa puso ko. Lahat ng sinabi ko ay totoo.
Huwag ka nang aalis sa akin. $2M ba or not abot? Higher. Pa-shout up. Hi Mercy, thank you po sa roses nyo. May Ea ba dyan? Sa dito? Ngayon? Oo, ako. Thank you, Mercy. Kung i-date mo sarili mo, ano gagawin mo? Bibili ako ng maraming pagkain, manonood ako ng favorite kong movie, tas nandito ako, nakabukas yung aircon, magdamag, habang naka-hoodie ako, tas ilalatag ko yung sofa bed ko, habang nakatapat sa TV, tapos higa lang ako buong araw. Bakit? Hindi ba romantic yun? The best yun! Isang taon na rin akong tanga. Tapos ka na manood ng Stranger Things. Tapos na. Kayo po ba yung vlogger? Siguro po. Ang daming vlogger ngayon. Ang dami kong work. Mag-end na ako niyan, guys. Kasi tambak trabaho ko. Kasi nga, di ba? Alam nyo ba na magsa-surgery pa lang ako, tanggap na ako ng trabaho. So, yung mga deadline ko, this week na. Yung mga iba, kailangan ng gamitan ng bunganga, mga pagkain, gano'n. Hindi ko alam paano ko ipo-promote. Kasi masakit pa talaga yung bibig ko. Ngayon, tambak na tambak ako ng trabaho, sabay-sabay yung mga deadline nila. Lahat yon mga paid, kaya may bayad ba ibang paid, content mo? Yung mga content na pa-cute-cute ko lang, wala naman. Pero lahat ng mga promotion ko, paid yun, guys. Lahat ng mga pinopromote ko, paid. Focus din talaga ako sa work ngayon, guys. Kasi alam nyo, gustong kong i-spoil yung family ko this time. Like, sila naman ang i-spoil ko. Ano nasa face mo? Tape. Kaya you wanna say, sa una ka lang magaling, baby. Hindi na ako mang-i-spoil ng mga ibang tao. Family na lang. Dami mong fan sa Davao. Gusto ko pumunta sa Davao. Siguro pag nagkaroon ako ng ipon pang Davao. Lahat kasi ng iniipon ko ngayon, may sarili-sarili silang pagpupuntahan. Laki ng pinayat mo, idol. Babawi din ako pag nakakakain ako ng maayos. Pero actually gusto ko yung katawan ko ngayon. Mas bet ko siya. Guys, may possibility ba na bibili pa rin kayo ng mga damit sa akin? Kasi maglilinis na ako ng closet ko and madami na akong ibebentang mga damit. And as in madami. Kasi nga, tinatapon ko na si Angge. So, ang mga ibebenta ko talaga is yung mga gets nyo na, ganun. Para hindi din sayang, pero hindi ko mamahalan. No more bidding na, syempre. Iipunin ko lang. Siguro, magre-range sila ng 50 to 1K. Kasi may mga iba branded talaga eh. Angge No More na ba? Hindi naman sa Angge No More. Gusto ko lang mag-rebrand sa sarili ko. Kasi ang focus ko kasi is character development. Ganon. Like, mas better yung mindset, mas healthy. And away from toxicity or toxic people. And so far so good kasi yung mga surroundings ko napakabuting tao, lahat sila mabuting tao, maganda sila sa mental health ko and ang dami kong natututunan lesson, ganyan. So, focus ko talaga is mag-improve. Sobrang gustong-gusto kong matuto ulit. Para akong nag-aaral ulit, ganun. And wala ang relationship sa goal ko. Wala talaga. Pero ayoko magsalita ng patapos. Kasi last time, nagsalita ako ng patapos, nadali ako. So, go with the flow ako, pero wala sa goal ko ang relationship. Hindi siya priority sa akin. Kasi ako, guys, I provide for my own needs and wants. I work hard for myself. So, therefore, I date by choice, not by needs. Yun ang biggest flex ko. Namimiss mo ba yung 2023 era mo? 22 era. Yun. nung naive pa ako. Like, wala pa ako masyadong alam sa mundo. Lahat, parang lahat para sa akin puro. Alam nyo, ito yung nagbago sa mindset ko and sana ma-realize nyo din to. Before, ang mindset ko, lahat ng tao mabuting tao. Lahat ng tao may mabuti sa kanila. Yun ang mindset ko dati. That's why, kahit sinong pumasok sa buhay ko, tatanggapin ko kasi lahat ng tao may mabuti. But now, na-realize ko na lahat ng tao may mabuting, may mabuting ugali. Pero hindi lahat ng tao pinipili maging mabuti. Mind-blowing siya sa akin nung na-realize ko yun. And na-realize ko siya on my own, hindi sa mga napanood ko or Kaya ayun, mas naging careful na talaga ako sa pagpili ng mga tao. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao pinipili maging mabuti. Nagbago talaga yung pananaw ko, nagbago yung mindset ko. ...2022 prime era niya. 2026 will be my prime. Siguro nami-miss ko lang yung pagiging inosente ko noong 2022. Grabe ang inosente ko dati, no? Ang inosente ko dati. Nakakamiss yun. Yung, yung lahat, na-amaze ako sa lahat. Tapos ngayon, mga ordinary lang pala. So, I just wanna let you know that I don't wanna see you go. Doon doon lumabas yung boses ko na kahit di naman ako magaling kumanta, nagawa kong kumanta. Yun yung unang pag-step up ko ng comfort zone ko. And para sa akin, lahat ng mga tao puro. As in, yung mga moment na pakiramdam ko, kailangan ko tulungan lahat ng mga tao. Kailangan ko ibigay ko anong meron ako. Ganun. Mga time na ganun. And then habang tumatagal, ganun pala talaga yun, no? Dati kasi alam nyo, sobrang pure talaga ng utak ko, ang inosente ko, wala akong kaalam-alam, wala akong alam sa betrayal, wala akong alam sa mga user, ganyan. Wala talaga akong alam sa mga ganun. Basta nakikita ko lahat ng mga tao mabubuti. Then, yun, take advantage, gamitin to, ubusin siya, sirain siya. Nakakaubos pala ng energy yun. Nakakabago pala talaga yun. Magbabago ka talaga. Doon ka na drain eh. Thank you, Mercy. Okay lang. At least tapos na ako sa ganun. Lahat ng mga nangyari sa akin, naging lesson sila ngayon. And yun nga, testimony ko siya. And sana balang araw makwento ko sa marami yung napagdaanan at natutunan ko. Nandiyan na yung asawa ko. Basura pala. Hoy! Tubig yun! Grabe kayo. So, it's time na mag-end na ako, guys, kasi mag-work na ako. Kaya, I need to end na. Tatry ko mag-live later pag wala akong gagawin. Pero alam ko yung gagawin ako mamaya eh. Bye-bye, guys! Take care. Thank you sa mga nag-drop at nanood. Magtrabaho na tayong lahat dahil alipin tayo na salapi at kailangan natin ng pera. Love you all. Guys, pa-engage lang ako ng last post ko. Please. Kasi kailangan ko yung engagement doon. Comment kayo, i-share nyo, ganun, tapos panoorin nyo. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Si Richelle may pandesal. Lagi pag may kape.
Ngunit ngayon, ikaw na ay lilimutin.
Di ba, Axel?